Hi guys, today I am doing a mail time, which I have not done in a long time. Um, okay guys, and I'm here with my really funny friend, Fun Leopard, and she's really cool, and she has a bunch of cool animals. Yeah, and my sister is home, and I am going to open my gift now. Okay, this was from Fun Leopard. I'm gonna do hers. Here, I'm gonna just, yeah, Shadow is awesome in this. Oh my gosh. Wait, what, can you send me some more? Oh, yeah, I already did. Puppy Fun 24. Thank you for the gift. Megan Flower. You look like a clan cat. Oh, a freedom hat. That's really cool. Thank you. I don't know why I'm talking so quietly. Oh yeah, and happy Valentine's Day. Ooh, nice beard. Ooh, thank you. Oh crap already. Okay, what to recycle? Bunch of plushies. Thank you, Confiding Andy. This horse. Pie General. Funny name, bro. I am nuts about you. Oh my gosh. 1 second, guys. I'm gonna recycle a bunch of stuff. Okay, guys. Back to this. I just recycled a bunch of stuff. We're on 23. Thank you, Pie General. I am nuts about you too. Cat 52425. Were you hacked? No, you weren't hacked. You're pretty rare, actually. Oh my god, I want to grow up so bad. Oh, a green teacup, my favorite color. Thank you. Lexi 54639. Have a rare headdress, and thank you for the necklace. I will recycle that. Another one from Lexi. Link tags. Thank you. Loading. Lexi again. Another necklace. Golden Phantoms. This person hasn't been, she doesn't have a lot of achievements, even though she's super rare. She's not a scammer. She was actually, hacked on her old account, but she had a few on this spare account, so she just changed accounts. Yeah, pretty confusing. Another one's my Golden Phantoms. Okay, I'm actually gonna save Golden Phantoms for 1 second. Ooh, carousel hat. Thank you. Wolf. Thank you then, Wolf. Close your eyes. I'm going to say that one. She said it was really good. And she hates the department. Oh, thank you, Haley M02. Happy BFF Day. Close your eyes. And 1, 2, 3. Arrested on helmet. I'm sorry I didn't save your last for Goldem. LSP Kins backed up. Doesn't look like a backup account, but TopHatWorld. Uh oh, she sent something really good. I know, that's Randy. I know she sent something amazing. Artsy Bunny. A sword, thank you. It's not a member, but it'll do. Blue Dragon. No thank you, not right now. Gravity Falls. Sure thing, Rooster. I don't dot anything, so here's our for badge. Oh, it's fine, Gravity. And I love that show, Gravity Falls. Amazing show. Nita rocks. This person's really nice, FYI. Shadow effect. Mailings. I'm gonna shave. I think it's beta on high. Okay, I'm gonna close my eyes for the rest now. 1, 2, 3. Oh yeah, thank you. It's not beta, but it will be soon. You're welcome. I'm gonna open 1, 2, 3. Ooh, thank you. I will add that to my adventure den, which is my Cosmo den. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I wear a Frankenstein mask. Thank you. Fun. Okay, shadow effect. I'm gonna go. Okay, close your eyes. Okay, I will. 1, 2, 3. Oh, I don't like that color, but that's awesome. Thank you so much. Yay, I sense good. You aren't allowed to say send anymore, which is stupid. I'm gonna save top hats for last. Shadow effects. 1, 2, 3. Oh, Dinku. Okay. She said she sent really good. Well, I'm gonna open it and close my eyes to 3. 1. I'm excited, guys. 2. I'm excited. 3. I'm excited. Oh my god! Thank you. 1 second, Mom. What shall I send you? Let's see here. I don't have anything that good. What's fair for that? Oh my gosh, where'd she go? Okay, thank you guys so much, and the thumbnail of today's gifts is, of course, TopHatWorld, aka Ramby. Thank you so much, girl. I owe you so much. Here, let me show him. Yeah. Okay, guys. I'm going to put a teacup on her head. Okay, guys, I gotta go eat and have a nice day and happy Valentine's Day. It is Thursday 2-13-14, so okay, BRB got to eat sandwich. Subway. Okay, guys, thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, comment, and if you guys want to send me stuff, which you guys do not have to do, my user is right here, Dr. Randy here. But please try not to send anything that good, because I don't like you guys giving up your best items just for my enjoyment. Okay, thank you guys. Love y'all. Bye.